Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Holden Captiva 7 SX, stock reference number 3852. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 9th month 2015. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has one dent. Right hand headlight, chrome radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover. Left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror indicator type. Left front door has one small dent, as does the left rear door. Side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets, sold as a pair. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left tail light. Unfortunately, the rear end hasn't survived. This does have third row seats, as it's a Captiva 7. Right hand rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door also has one small dent. Right hand side step, supplied with all bolts, brackets, sold as a pair. Right door power mirror indicator type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and the right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console with electric park brake, gear shifter, automatic, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.